Alright, let's go.
Hi, so in today's video I am doing a wig review for you guys. This wig was sent to me by ebonyline.com. They hit your girl up wanting to send her wig and I was like, okay, cool. Yeah, this is the wig that I chose. This is a shake and go wig. Y'all know I love being shake and go wig. I love them. This one is a part of the Milky Way Harmony Human Hair Master Mix Lace Front collection, or just, you know, Milky Way Harmony to shorten it up. It is a human hair master mix, meaning it is a mix of human hair and synthetic hair. The hair feels pretty good, so I got it in the color 1, and it's the style Harmony 117. And it comes in a few different colors. So we have, you know, the 11B2, 4, OP1B30. We have an OP430. We have an OT530, OT99J, SOP27GD30, SOP43027. So that's like a blondish type, or a brownish blonde. And then it says Star SOP Ombre Piano. I don't really know what that means, but they have a, you know, pretty good range of colors for this type of wig, or this type of hairstyle and curl pattern. Of course, they have the washing instructions on the back of the card, but let's get into the details of the wig. So it's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. When I first pulled it out of the wig, first thing I thought was, look at this jerry curl right here. Like, it really reminds me of like a jerry curl type of curl pattern, and even in the picture it looks like a jerry curl, but honestly I'm kind of feeling it. Like, you know, I'm not mad at it at all. Like, I'm not mad at it whatsoever. I like it. I really was drawn to this wig. I was really drawn to this wig because of like the little short bang pieces that they had in front. You know, wigs like this usually just come pretty much all the same length, or the layers aren't as the difference in the lengths aren't so noticeable. They're very like natural looking, I guess. And these right here makes it look like you have hair that when you straighten it, you have like a China bang or something. And it just kind of, in a way, makes it look a little bit more natural if this is kind of how your natural curls look, which I would say this is probably like a 3A. The curls on it are like very loose. Like, they're not tight curls whatsoever. Like I said, it's kind of like a jerry curl. You know, it's like after you put product in your hair, I feel like a lot of people's hair would look like this curl pattern. Mine don't. My real hair looks nothing like this. But you know what I'm saying? It's cute anyway. So, I mean, this wig was not about like a natural look anyway. For me, it was more so about the look. Just the look in general. You know? Fashion statement type of wig, and also kind of like an extra scarf, because, you know, it's winter, it's cold, it's heck outside, and I don't like the cold. You know what I'm saying? I like to, you know, be bundled up when I walk outside, and this wig, you know, it's gonna give me some warmth. You know what I'm saying? It's like an extra scarf, so happy about that. So the density of this wig, it's pretty, you know, it's pretty thick. You know what I'm saying? It's almost airy feeling though, because I mean, it's like heavy in a way, but it's not like heavy to where I feel like, oh my god, like my neck will start hurting. I do feel like if like I walked outside and the wind was blowing, it would be fine. Like, it just like would just blow and just be like really pretty. I really like the density of the wig. It's pretty good. It's a curly hair unit. Tangling, it's curly hair. I mean, what y'all expect? It's, you know, not tangle free. But it's not like it hasn't caused any problems or anything. I've been playing with it, you know, for a few minutes, and it's not really giving me any troubles. These type of wigs, I don't really feel the need to wear it for like a whole day or anything, because I mean, it's a curly hair unit. You kind of get what you get when you look at it. I mean, if anything bad happens when I do wear it, I will let y'all know. This is just, it's so cute. Oh yeah, all I did to like the parting was just put like some of my powder on it, and that's pretty much it. I didn't pluck it or anything. You can pluck it if you want. Honestly, I mean, I probably will, just to make it, just to give it a little bit more space, because the hair is coming out of like the space of the part also, so I probably will pluck it a little bit. And then I also added some of my eyebrow powder onto this part right here, and it might look a little dark right here. I got this little dark patch because I messed up a little bit, which, you know, you will have probably seen when I was getting the wig together. Yeah, this wig is just like super cute to me. Shedding, I haven't gotten any shedding or anything. I did pull a hair out of like the bang earlier just because it was like bothering me because it was like in my face. It's just like right here, so I just like, you know what, let me just ball this up and tear it out myself. But I mean, I didn't do anything. I mean, there's no like, you know, shedding whatsoever going on, which is, you know, it's pretty good. But I don't really think I ever get much shedding with curly units anyway, because I mean, you definitely don't touch curly units when you're just like walking through the day unless you're going like this, moving the hair out of your face. You definitely don't run your fingers through it. It's not something you do unless you're combing the curls out. Oh yeah, so lace front. It is a lace front unit. It was soft lace. It was like brown lace. Here's the lace. It was like brown, so I mean, it looks pretty good against my skin. If you're lighter than this, I'm not really too sure how that works for you. But yeah, the lace was pretty soft. Parting space is maybe like 2.5 to 3 inches. There's not much parting room at all whatsoever. It's just like this part right here, and that's it. Of course, I mean, if you want, you can move the wig to the right, to the left by rotating it, but I don't really think it will look that good because of the bangs. And then also the way that the combs are like situated. There is 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. The comb is like right behind the lace. It's not like a lot of lace at all on the wig, like in the front. Hold on. Yeah, see, like that's pretty much all the lace that you get right there, which is not a problem for me, especially with this type of unit. Like the style of it, it's fine. So I mean, and then the combs are like right here and right here, and then of course one on the back with the adjustable straps. I have the straps on pretty tight right now. Do I think this wig will be big head friendly? I mean, you know, possibly. I have, like I said, I do have them on pretty tightly, and I don't really know my head size. I don't think I have a big head whatsoever, or at all, but I'm not sure if I have a small one either. I think it's pretty average size. I don't know. I just like my wigs to be secure, so I'll kind of put them on a little tighter than I probably should, you know? But you know what I'm saying? You know, that's pretty much it. I really like the style of the wig, though. It's gorgeous. I think it's really cute, and I can't wait to wear it out, you know? Perfect New Year's hair, even though by the time this video is up, I'm pretty sure it's either gonna be New Year's Day or after New Year's. So happy New Year's. I need to, you know, just got off work, y'all. I'm a little delirious right now, so don't mind me. But you know what I'm saying, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all check out ebonyline.com. The links will be in the description. Link to the wig, link to the website, everything y'all need will be in the description. If they have social media, I'll make sure to put that down there too. And while we're at it, make sure y'all follow me on my social media if you haven't already. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why you haven't at this point. Like, so yeah, I'm done. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.